Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Okay, this is our project title for the efficient network security policy enforcement with the policy space analysis. Okay, so this is our abstract. So the network is the mode of communication through data channels. So here the different kinds of network security policies are defined among multiple parties with security middle boxes deployed in networks. So here we created a files and fragmentations with the splitting files and replicated data through network. So the network is a mode of transformation as files. So again creates a number of nodes and every nodes assign each files to be stored data on the nodes or routers. So here the routing policies based the routing IP address configurations based algorithms using will processing our data. So due to the complexity of security policy inefficient and the network employs to the existing pathway approaches to the routing configuration algorithms. So the routing algorithms based the nodes are securely storing and retrieving based on some policies and security policies methods. So finally this paper models the enforcement of security policy as covering problem and designing tools as computational geometry based policy space analysis for set operations of security policy. Okay, so this is the architecture of the manner, that means the mobile ad hoc networks. So the mobile ad hoc network means the data shared from the source and destinations through the router. So first of all we are passing to the data, that means the file transfer mode. File transfer as the user upload. So the user upload means the user is selecting some particular process, that means the particular data will be fragmented, so is called through the service level agreements. So some are the basic principles based the data is going to be uploaded, that means the files are splitting by the data owner. So here the data owner splitting the particular files, that means the data owner is splitting the particular files through the routers. So here the routing IP configuration algorithms, the routing algorithms based we will implementing how to split the data on to be passing to the routers, that means the cognizant of all facts, that means routing IP address configuration algorithms. So here the routing algorithms based we will implementing our data, that means routing algorithm through we will passing our splitting data on multiple routers. So after the selection of the nodes user, that means router selection. So after the router selection the lowest RC in combination based we are passing our data, that means the data is passing on the networks on the peer-to-peer networks. So the peer-to-peer networks means the data shared from the source and destination. So first of all the starting peer network is through the some routers techniques, routers 1 and routers 2. So the number of routers based we are passing our data on the combinations. So after the when the users are download the files will be merging because we are not passing a single data on single routers. So every router is splitting data to be passing. So finally we are not using the splitting data. So finally we will get the only file merging operations to be performed. So after the file merging we will analyze the performance, that means how to split the data on the duplex algorithm. So the duplex algorithm uses how to we will calculate the analyze performance to be analyzed. Okay, so now the demo section is start for the efficient network security the policy enforcements. Okay, this is the home page for the efficient network security policy enforcement with the policy space analysis. So this is the username, so this is the password to login. So this is the valid user. So choosing the type of file. Okay, is the PDF file name. Yes, proceed. So data owner, so type of files, so even data 7. Okay, so access the file. So the user file is given to the data owner to split the files. So file selection, so node formation so is equals to 50, so number of files is equals to 14. So get the node selection. So this is the random number based the node selection, so PDF data, so file transferring. So this is the number of files equal to 14, so the replication nodes will be performed. Okay, PDF. Okay, so this is the replication process. So type of file, so next, so get the file, so get the file from the data owner. So this is the data owner process. So this is the original file, so this is splitter files. Go for next, so get the file request for the files. Okay, so yes, so this is the authentication. So the username is Arun, password is Arun, file name is equals to drops.pdf. So verify it's a valid file name. Okay, so when I click to the view content, it takes some more times, so I choosing the download. So source, so this is the original file, so destination d colon, okay, destination, so download destination, so the file is successfully downloaded and the path is d colon as the drops.pdf. Okay, so this is our okay, so this is our file. Okay, so this is our file. Okay, this is our file on the dump. Okay, so this is our file. This is our file. So the file is actually downloaded. Okay, so the demo is finished. Thanks for listening.